Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit holding flowers trending AI photo for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the trending photo looks like and I'm going to show you how we can create this photo. So if you want to create this photo guys, you need to use Gemini. You can visit gemini.google.com or you can open up the Gemini app. And then you're going to use Nano Banana feature on Gemini, shown by this banana icon. And then you can upload your photo, the photo that you want to edit. And I'm just going to use, for example, this photo. Okay, make sure that you upload a photo with clear face and also clear background so it won't be distracted. But here I just uploaded the random photo, and then you can use this prompt. Okay, you can copy my prompt. Okay, and I'll put the prompt on the description, and then you just need to click on submit and the AI will generate a photo for you. And okay guys, that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.